how to fly. There's a recent bird incident where he tried to fly, landed in the road right there, right in the middle of the screen, and now he hopped over here, but two birds swooped under him, made him do a front flip, and now he's here. Beautiful bird is here, right before your eyes. The bird is here. Boom. Shikazama. Whatever. I can't see feet. This is so awesome. He doesn't care if I throw anything at him. Look. There's no care in the world. Roar. 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 See? Can you see that? His mouth is open. You can see him a bit better, can't you? Pretty scary. You throw sticks at him. See? He can't walk. He tries to take lift off, but he can't. Roar. I'm gonna pause this seriously and ask somebody for help. This bird is endangered. Very endangered. And I'll do stuff like this and other stuff. This is my first YouTube video. Now, I have to help this bird. I'll see you in a bit.